Hello math lovers, welcome to Kumar's Math Lab. Today we have another Math Olympiad problem. Okay, so here problem is cube root of x plus 28 minus cube root of x minus 28 equal to 2. We have to find the value of x. Okay, so let's suppose this is a and this is b. Okay, so a minus b equal to 2. Suppose this is equation number first. Now this is a, so aq equal to x plus 28 and bq equal to this is b and this is like a. So aq is, just remove the cube root. Okay, so bq is x minus 28. Okay, now aq minus bq is equal to x plus 28 minus x minus 28. So x plus 28 minus x minus and minus plus 28. So it will be 56. Okay, so just suppose this is equation 2. Now we know that aq minus bq, the formula of aq minus bq is like a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, and here aq minus bq we have already 56. So 56 equal to a minus b. What is the value of a minus b? This one, 2 into a square plus ab plus b square. Okay, so a square plus ab plus b square equal to 56 divided by 2 is 28. So suppose this is equation number 3rd. Okay, now a minus b whole cube equal to, we know that the formula aq minus bq minus 3ab into a minus b. Here a minus b is 2, so it is 2q equal to aq minus bq. aq minus bq is in the previous equation number 2. What is aq minus bq? aq minus bq 56. So it will be 56 minus 3ab into a minus b is 2. So this will be 8 equal to 56 minus 6ab. So ab equal to 56 minus 8, 48 divided by 6 equal to 8. So suppose this is equation number 4. Okay, now from equation number 3, what it will be? A square plus b square plus ab equal to 28. So here a square plus b square plus ab is equal to 28. Here ab equal to 8. So a square plus b square equal to 28 minus 8 is equal to 20. Suppose this is equation number 5. Okay, now a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So it will be a square plus b square is 20 plus 2 into 8, 16. ab is equal to 8. Okay, so it will be 36. So a plus b is equal to plus minus 6. Okay, and a minus b is equal to in the first equation is 2. So here two possibility. Here a plus b equal to, if a plus b equal to 6 and a minus b equal to 2, then a equal to here we can find, if we add these two equations, so it will be cancelled. 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. And here if a plus b equal to minus 6 and a minus b equal to 2, then a equal to, it will be minus 4 divided by 2, minus 2. Okay, now we have two value of a. One is 4 and one is -2. Okay, and this is a. So aq equal to x plus 28. Put a equal to 4 first. Okay, then 4q equal to x plus 28. So x equal to 4q is 64 minus 28. 64 minus 28 is 36. Okay, now put a equal to -2, then aq minus 2q equal to x plus 28. Okay, so x equal to -2q equal to -8. So x equal to -28 and -8. So it will be -36. Okay, so we have two value of x. Finally, we have two value of x. One is x equal to, one is 36 and another is -36. So the value of x equal to plus minus 36. This will be our final answer. Okay, thank you. We will meet with another Math Olympiad problem in next class. Thank you. Bye bye.